Well, I need to start off this review by saying how well the packaging is done on this toolbox that I received from VEVOR. I believe that's how you pronounce it. The corners are reinforced with this fiberboard reinforcement. It's got this foam adhered to the fiberboard reinforcement. Plus it's got these plastic corners to keep the corners from getting blown out. And it comes with both upper and lower, just like that. Just fantastic packaging. Haven't seen packaging like this. I think I said it already. This well done in years. So there's my toolbox on the end of my little utility trailer. I don't do much welding, if at all, but this little welding trailer has served me well so far for a couple of years. Have a little compressor on it. I'm going to stick some of my welding tools in here and things like that. Nothing really heavy, but the toolbox is well made. I can highly recommend it.